Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I'm back with a couple more trades today. Today I'll be explaining each and every single one of my trades, and I will take a couple of trades, and this is going to be my first trade. So this setup is the third touch breakout setup, and this is very beautiful. First touch, second touch, and after second touch, we created a lower low and we broke it at the third touch. This is a third touch breakout setup. I took triple trade on this one because we also have a very good gap up, and I saw this is an exhaustion candle. That's why I took 3 trades on this one, because this was a very beautiful trade. What else do we have on this pair is that market sequence here. Okay, it's not a very strong market sequence, but because, we have multiple candles in between. But yeah, that's a very minor reason. Yeah, that was my first trade. Third touch breakout and some, for example, common point of rejection trades are working best in this kind of ranging markets. Okay, if you have a range that it has a doji at the middle, it means it's a good range. We could also optimize our entry, drawing this common point of rejection right here and enter right here instead of entering immediately, which would boost our chance to win the trade. I'm going to just move to the next pair. I will try to find some very good trades, but today my session will be very short. All right, this is a very good decision point, man. I think it already worked out. Yeah, it already worked out. Yes. When we have a respected resistance like that, let's say this is the respected resistance, and we keep touching the resistance and then suddenly it breaks. Next time price comes to this zone, we can look for entry in lower time frame. This is called decision point trading. Let me see if I can find another good one. This is a very good supply, because look at this. This is a respected support, and the breakout happened right after this supply. Okay, so next time price comes to this zone, there will be some buyers that will be some sellers that will be still there, and they could reject the price for us. So how do I take advantage of this? I draw the supply like that, and then for more details, I go to lower time frame. Okay, what do I see here? Is another supply right inside of it. Just like that. And then again, I go to lower time frame. I see another supply right at the middle of it. If I keep going, I may find even better supply areas. Okay, I think this is the most optimized supply area. And if the price comes to this zone, I will enter, and perhaps it may reject. Okay, we don't have 100% winning ratio set up, but if you keep taking best possible trades, you're gonna be in profit in long term. Okay, I'll keep looking for the next opportunity. Sorry for interruption. For those who are asking, this is the only Telegram channel that I have, which I share my students' results only and the announcements that I have. Nothing too crazy, not like similar fucking signal channels and things like that. If you're interested, that's the first link in the description. Alright. It's coming up. Guys, do not forget to join the Telegram channel using the first link in the description. I do not sell signals, or I do not do copy trade. Please be informed. And there might be some fake channels trying to do that using my name. Alright, it's about to come to the zone. I have to wait for the next candle, because if I enter on the last seconds of this candle. Alright, get in. Oh shit. No, don't tell me I missed this opportunity. It didn't even touch that. No. Didn't touch, right? It didn't touch. I'm gonna enter right at the middle of the zone. I can't just be greedy about this. Okay, this is the best possible entry for me, but I think I missed this freaking opportunity, man. Did it even touch it? I can't see it. All right, let's move on. These are the things that makes me a little frustrated, but you know, it is what it is. This is trading, and it's supposed to be like that. Otherwise, everyone would make it. Okay, this is another decision point. Let me see. Oh shit, it's already in my entry. Let's go. We got one of these green ones. Okay, yes, we took this trade. Oh shit, we got the trade on the next candle and we have gap up. This is not good, man. Let me draw the... This is not good. I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, this is the supply, right? I'm sorry, this is the demand, right? So once the price comes to the zone, we have to enter unless there's last couple seconds of the candle. If there's last couple seconds of the candle, the trade will be opened on the next candle, just like that. I entered on this candle, but the trade opened on the next candle. Okay? And then you'll have to be careful how many seconds remaining from the candle. And now we're going to just lose this. We have this gap up. If we win this, it means that we're super lucky. Otherwise, I would not be surprised if I lose this. We're supposed to basically win this because if you look at the previous candle, it rejected from our demand area and closed above. But since it was 6 seconds and less remaining when I entered this trade on this candle, it counted our trades on the next candle. That's how it works, okay? That was a winning trade, but I wouldn't be surprised if that was a loss, because we have to be careful how many seconds remaining from the candle that we're going to enter the trade on. See how nicely it rejected. We have an order block down here, but this is not a very strong order block because it's not causing any significant breakout. If this movement was happening here, right, the breakout was happening, next time price would react from this order block and I would take it. But now I'm not going to take it. I'm going to just show you. I may take it very small. 250, okay? Let's go. I take it 250 just to show you. Let me see. Yeah, this is the entry for the order block. You may say, oh, what if we win this? Is this a good trade if we win this? No, that doesn't... if you win a trade, that doesn't guarantee that that's a good trade. Also, if you lose a trade, that doesn't guarantee that that was a bad trade, okay? This is one thing you need to understand. I hope... Yeah, we're gonna lose this trade because this is not a good order block, right? Oh shit, it already reacted. Same thing happened on the previous trade. It opened in the next candle. Yeah, I just hope we lose this trade so you understand. Yeah, we have this momentum as well. We never want to go. I don't know why we win in this trade, guys. But this is a bad order block. That's why I took it with 250, okay? There's a much higher chance to lose this trade. Alright. I'm gonna look for other opportunities. This market kind of looks good, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, today's market looks kind of good. Our bad trades also are winning. Oh shit, look how he reacted. Okay, this is a doji break. It's a double doji, but this is a swing doji. When we have this doji on a swing, and it's not a super ranging market, it's called bad dojis. But look at this one, we have a demand right down here. What if we break the doji and find entry right inside the demand? That would be a good trade, okay? Now, it seems that this one is going to work as well. No, it didn't work. So, if I go to lower time frame, I may find some good entries right inside that demand area. Okay, we break a doji, we don't enter immediately because this is a swing doji. Price comes down to this demand and then we enter. Most likely it will reject. Okay, remember that. If you have a bad trade, try to optimize your entry. How many trades? Okay, we already took 5 trades, right? And I really want to stop right here, but I just want to take one more trade. Go back to 1,000. Okay, I'm gonna take this trade, man. No, it's not breaking the second doji. I'm just gonna wait for this one to break as well. So I'm gonna find a good entry for this trade. Let's see. Oh, the price is also coming from a QM, so that's not a good idea. Look how beautiful the QM is. But I'm gonna just take this. Beautiful. I feel like this is going to work. Now, let me show you where the price is coming from. This is the QM, right? This is the QM, and then doji break with the buyers. And if I check the 3-minute time frame, where is it? Oh, we don't have Ingol for the QM. Yeah, it looks like a solid QM, but we don't have Ingol for this, so it's not valid. I took this double doji breakout. You know, we don't have a lot of a buyer's force in the market right now. You may think that, oh, the buyers are in the chart. Why do you take this? Because if you look, we broke the doji, right? We didn't react very well, and then the main demand area is down here, but it didn't even touch that. So these buyers are kind of fake buyers are in the chart. So we can trust this sell opportunity right here. Okay, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm just gonna stop right here. We took so many good trades. Recently the markets were amazing, and I really enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, drop a like for me. If not, no problem. Thank you for watching, and peace out.